Hello viewers, you're all welcome to my channel. I am by name Jack Sax, the saxophone instructor right here in this channel. And today I'm going to be teaching on Mixolydian mode in detail, which will encompass both the licks and the applications. Alright, that is the act of using it and improvising. Okay, now what is Mixolydian mode? Mixolydian mode is the 5th degree of your mode, which runs from saw to saw. Mixolydian mode is the 5th degree of your mode, which runs from saw to saw. The difference between your Mixolydian mode and that of your major scale is that the 7th degree of your major scale will be flattened. Alright? No more T, so but it's going to be replaced with what? Top. Your T will be replaced with top. Now, but I'm going to show you a tweak to easily remember your Mixolydian mode. Okay, now remember I said it is a mode that runs from saw to saw. Now take for instance, if I'm playing on the key of C, right? If I'm playing on the key of C, this is going to serve as my do. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to turn this my do to saw, and you believe me that the key to which I'm going to have this my do as saw is of none other but F. So that shows on the key of F, I will now be playing Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol. That's what I'm going to be playing. Alright? So this is what you are going to have now. Okay, on the tweak now, you have this to be what? Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol. That is how your Mixolydian mode scale will sound. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Do, 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 La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Now we are going to come out with some licks on the Mixolydian mode. And first on the list we have is, okay, this is Do, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Do. Now let me play again slowly this time around. Okay. That is for that. Alright, you can still play it on the low as well by playing. Alright, that is for that. And the second we have on these licks is, this is Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Fa, Sol, Do. Now I'm going to take it slowly. That is Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Fa, Sol, Do. And now we're going to consider another lick again on this Mixolydian mode. This is Sol, La, Do, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Sol, La, Do, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Alright, this is it. Let me take it slowly. Again, you can still have that lick as. So this time around, you'll now be playing Sol, La, Do, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Before we were playing what? Sol, La, Do, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. But now we are playing Sol, La, Do, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Alright. And the next we have is, this is what? Re, Mi, Re, Do, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re. Re, Mi, Re, Do, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re. Re, Mi, Re, Do, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Re. play re mi re do do la so fa re. And the next on the licks is this is mi fa so mi re do so la fa mi. Mi fa so mi re do so la fa mi. Mi fa so mi re do so la fa mi. Now let me take it slowly. And the next you have here on the licks is this is fa mi re do so la fa mi re mi fa. This is fa mi re do so la fa mi re mi fa. Fa mi re do so la fa mi re mi fa. Still on the Mixolydian mode lick, you can still have something like this. This is la mi so la fa mi re mi la. Okay. Okay, that is la mi so la fa mi re mi la. La mi so la fa mi re mi la. Again, you can have it in this way again by taking the last note higher than the initial pitch. Can you hear that? La mi so la fa mi re mi la. Before we were doing re mi la, now we are doing re mi la. Now, we are going straight to the application of Mixolydian mode on a song titled All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name. Now, I'm going to spell out the tonic so far before we start the application of the Mixolydian mode. Now, this is the tonic so far of the song. So, do, ti, do, mi, re, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, so, la, so, fi, so, mi, fa, mi, do, mi, re, so, fa, mi, re, do. That is the tonic so far. And now let's hear how we're going to be applying some of the Mixolydian mode licks on the song All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name. Can you hear that part? Mi, re, do, re, and now I'm now substituting the re with re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa, mi, re. Alright, one of the licks from the Mixolydian mode. So, mi, re, do, so, la, so, fa, re, mi, fa, so, do. Alright? Can you hear that? So, la, so, fi, so, la, do, so, la, so, fa, re, mi, fa, so. Then, at the ending part of this, now substitute that last do with okay, that's for that. Now I'm going to play everything completely so that you can hear it, how it's going to be sounding. application on the song All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name. You can come out with many other licks on your own and try to work on as many songs as possible. Thank you for watching and thank you for staying tuned to this channel.